Hello everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been working with the verb haben in the present tense. In our last lesson we learned how to ask questions with the verb haben in the present tense. And some of you were asking for a few more examples, so these are just some random examples of asking questions with haben. So I've chosen haben Sie, which means do you have? So you can ask the question, haben Sie Kleingeld? Do you have change? Do you have food? Haben Sie Essen? Do you have a room? Haben Sie ein Zimmer? Do you have an appointment? Haben Sie einen Termin? Do you have the money? Haben Sie das Geld? Do you have a cell phone? Haben Sie ein Handy? Do you have a hobby? Haben Sie ein Hobby? Do you have recommendations? Haben Sie Empfehlungen? Do you have a minute? Haben Sie eine Minute? Do you have time? Haben Sie Zeit? Do you have a cigarette? Haben Sie eine Zigarette? Do you have a problem? Haben Sie ein Problem? Okay, das ist alles. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson and continue learning German, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.